When working with the zipper foot on a Pfaff sewing machine, foot number 4, you got to know which way to put it on. I've noticed that some people have been getting this on backwards. So as long as the 3 little points, kind of like a little triton, is pointing towards the back of the machine, you can attach it either on the right side or the left side, and the grooves in the back are for the IDT, or the dual feed. So when you attach it on, depending on what side of the zipper you need to be on, that's the side you want to attach it. So let's see, if I have this zipper and I want to put it on this side of my fabric, right side down, then I want to stitch next to the zipper teeth. So I'm going to attach it to the left side of the foot. Make sure my little tritons are pointing away from us, and also the number of the foot is actually right on the front of the foot, so that actually makes it a little easier to go through. Make sure you don't get your thread cut when you attach it. There we go. Just kind of sliding that out of the way. Next, you can move the needle position closer to the teeth if you feel like you need to get a little bit closer than where you're at. But let's just go ahead and use it at the normal center needle position. And we're just running the foot right next to the teeth of the zipper. Now, if you want to go ahead and take it out and do a little top stitching, now what you're doing is taking the fabric, folding it, take it to the iron. Usually I like to press that. Now when I stitch, I want to be on the other side. Now we could come back from the opposite direction, not have to move the foot, but if you wanted to stitch from the same direction you did it the first time, you can switch the foot from the left side to the right side. But for how about right now, we'll just attach this along the edge, but I'm kind of just working from the bottom up. Now you notice how big and long the zipper is? I love to use extra long zippers because then I can use it exactly in the place that I need it. So if I want to do this again and put another piece of fabric here, I can go ahead and do it right sides together. Now I can see I'm going to need to flip this over, and once again I'll be on this side and I can stitch. So that's how easy it is to use a zipper foot. But once again, if you need to move the needle position, you can get it closer or further apart as needed for the project you're doing, and depending on how thick the fabric is that you're putting the zipper in. So we can do it like this, and then we can press this open, and we could top stitch again. And this time, if you want to keep the foot always attached to the same side, we can just flip that around, put it right back in, and stitch that little fold right down in place. And that's how easy a zipper can be inserted.